Setting up your Shark AI Robot or Shark AI Robot VACMOP Pro is quick and easy. Once you remove the protective film from the robot and dock, attach the two side brushes to the robot underneath and turn the power switch to the on position. Next, find a permanent location for the charging dock in a central area with strong Wi-Fi signal. Place the charging dock on a bare, hard floor surface away from rugs or carpets with its back against the wall with 3 feet of clearance on either side and 5 feet of clearance in front of the dock. The indicator light will illuminate green when the dock has power. Place the robot on the dock to charge. The dock indicator light will turn blue and the robot will beep when charging begins. Your first charge can take up to 6 hours. Once your robot is fully charged, the battery indicator will remain solid white. For best results, clear small objects from the floor like cords or socks. Open any interior doors where you want your robot to clean. Clear any obstructions that may be separating rooms. Before beginning to use your robot, download the Shark Clean app. The first time you use your robot, it will move through your home conducting an explore run. The robot initially maps your home room by room, detecting walls and other surfaces. After the explore run, the robot will create an interactive map in the app where you can create rooms and no-go zones. Your first cleaning run should be a dry, vacuum-only run. During your first cleaning run, the robot will vacuum around the perimeter of your rooms before vacuuming row by row. Maintaining your Shark AI Robot VACMOP Pro. When you're ready to empty the dustbin, push the dustbin release button and slide it out. If the fluid reservoir is attached, you will need to remove this first by pressing the 2 buttons on either side and sliding it out. Open the dustbin lid by pressing and lifting the lid, then dispose of the debris. Clean and reinsert the filter inside the dustbin after each use for optimal suction power. Remove the filter by pinching the plastic tabs and pulling it out. Gently rinse the filter with water and allow it to air dry completely before reinserting. The self-cleaning brush roll actively removes hair wrap while your robot cleans. But if some hair wrap or debris remains after continued cleaning, you can manually clean the brush roll. To access the brush roll, push up on the tabs on the brush roll door, then lift off the door. Once the door is removed, you will be able to remove the brush roll and remove any debris that may have been collected. After each vac mop mode, empty the fluid reservoir and remove the reusable mopping pads to machine wash or hand wash them.